Hello everyone, it's me, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox August Topbox, and I have two Topbox subscriptions. Usually I like to have two because maybe the pre-Bay box will be good, so I'll try for that one and then I'll get a regular box. But this month I got two regular boxes. First, I want to say a great big thank you to Miss Ashley, who walked into her Dollar Tree and seen a whole bunch of Glossy peanuts and grabbed them for me and sent me a message saying that she bought them. So there's 3 more boxes full like this, and we had some running around with trying to get it shipped by Canada Post, and we had to go through Pure later. But anyways, now I definitely won't run out. So thank you, Miss Ashley, for picking these up for me. I really appreciate it. So I have a lot of my Glossy peanuts now. Yay! I mean, there's a lot. There's 3 other boxes full. I think there was like 48 boxes, something like that. So thank you, Miss Ashley, for picking them up for me. Okay, so Topbox. For those of you who don't know, Topbox is a Canadian-only subscription. I think it cost me $17 and change every month. It is $15 plus your, province tax if you have one. So it's about $17 and change for me. Around between the 24th and the 29th of the month, they'll send you an email called a wish list. And you can decide if you want to go for one of those things on that wish list, which is called the pre-Bay box, or go for a regular box. Sometimes they have really good stuff on the pre-Bay box. I think last month I got the It Cosmetics CC cream. This month I wasn't really excited about what they had on that wish list, so I went for 2 regular boxes. Every other month it seems that they have also something called a beauty surprise. So once you're done filling out that wish list, you pick a pre-Bay box if you like it, or you say no, you want a regular box instead. When you hit submit, if there's a beauty surprise, it's going to open up saying, hey, do you want to add on this $10 beauty surprise? Usually they're pretty good. I've seen some beauty surprises this month, and I'm praying to God there's one item in this box that I don't get because we got it in a Luxebox. So both my boxes are box number 4. So I have 2 of the same boxes. Uh-oh, here we go. Okay, so Topbox. Topbox is the sister company of Luxebox. That box comes out every 3 months, so September is the next box that's coming out. We just got charged for that on the 15th of the month. All of my links are down below. There's no money off. If you sign up to my link, I think you'll get a $5 off code for the next, what are they called? It's like a beauty surprise box. Oh, I can't remember what the flip. $5 off. Sometimes they have, here's, a surprise with 10 items in it for $25, and you get $5 off that. I can't remember what it's called now. Anyway, they haven't had one out for a while. Your $5 off code do not work for this subscription, nor does it work for your beauty surprise. Okay. Oh my God. Please. So here's my beauty surprise. We already got this in the Luxebox in June. Pure Cosmetics Refine and Perfect Loose Finishing Powder. This is I don't use powder, so this is absolutely useless for me. And this company, I don't know. Here you go, is all different colors of powder, but you're supposed to just swirl it together and make it a loose finishing powder. I know this company has a website, but it's made in Taiwan. PureCosmetics.com. Someone had told me that some of this Pure Cosmetics, they've seen it in some beauty salons, but they sent out an eyeshadow palette in that Luxebox in June, and it was just crackers. It wasn't that great. So, yay, that's my beauty surprise for this box. I'm praying to God that it's not in the other box, because I'm going to be like, oh my God, wasted money. Okay, next thing we have in the box is the blue nail polish, which happy to get nail polish, you know, every now and then. It's a pretty woman nail polish. This is going to be about $10 maybe Canadian, $10 to $12 Canadian. This here, I think they say it's like $20 or $30, and I'm like, no, it ain't, girl. It's not. I don't believe that for a minute. I think it's bought on one of those, you know, those cheap Taiwanese or Chinese companies for cheap, and they just stick a label on it and packaging and say it's worth $20 to $30 USD. That's what I believe. Other people can have different opinions. This is just my personal opinion on these items. And that's just my personal opinion, you know. And you can agree or not agree. It's totally up to you, but that's what I believe. I also got the Caviar shampoo and conditioner, which is pretty cool. I like getting, you know, deluxe sizes of shampoo and conditioner. And Topbox, you just never know what you're going to get. There's no spoilers. It's always a gamble with your money. There's like no surveys to fill out. They just want you to get the product, review it, because the brands send them these things and kind of pay Topbox, and then Topbox, we pay for it, and they want the reviews on these products. So it's a marketing company. That's pretty much what Topbox is. So yeah, there's not like there's Ipsy and they're trying to give you things that you like and go buy a profile. It ain't that. This is what it is. It's a surprise in your box. You want it, you don't, pay $17 or not, completely up to you. Anyway, I'm happy to get the shampoo and conditioner. I also got Matcha from Masquerade, which is a really good mask company. It's Canadian, I believe. It's made in Korea, but the company is here in Toronto. Okay, detoxifying and mattifying directions, cleanse skin, dry, make sure it's dry, and you get 4 packets of these, which I think is kind of cute. 3 packets. 3 packets of these. It's a clay mask, detoxifying clay mask, so I think that's kind of cute, right? Usually, you know, you only get one kind of a mask as a deluxe size sample or whatever, so that's cute. So you get the 3. Okay, my daughters will have fun using that. Last thing in the box, I believe I mentioned this in a video, is the Estate Cosmetics Do Me highlighter. I love this highlighter. And I have, it's so funny because a friend of mine sent me, because I used to have this from Ipsy and I don't know what to do with it. I think I gave it away. I was upset because I really do like this highlight. And then a friend of mine sent me theirs, and now I have 2. So I'm not going to swatch that one. We'll just keep that one, because chances are I'll have another one in the other box, because it's the same box. Box number 4, which is kind of, you know, you're taking a chance then when you have 2 accounts. If you're not going for that pre-bay box and you're not guaranteed to get that pre-bay box, remember that. You know, you're taking a chance on getting the same exact box, which is what I just did. Are these different? Oh, so I got this one. This is in Do Me Lit, so this is the one that I have. Pretty highlight. And this shade is Pearl. So they weren't the same, which is great. So the one that I have is in Lit, which is very nice. And Pearl is a different shade, which I didn't know. I honestly thought it was all the same shade. So now we're going to swatch the 2. Pearl is more of a whiter color. Very pretty. Ooh, like it. Okay, that's the first box. I swear, if I open up the other box and I see that bloody powder, oh my goodness. But I mean, in all, for $17, I mean, I think this is a good box. And there's been some pretty crappy boxes, and there's been some good boxes. So for $17, we got the shampoo, conditioner, we got the Do Me Estate Highlight, we got 3 face masks, and we got the nail polish. So that's a really, I think that's a good box, in my opinion. I'll use all of that, right? The beauty surprise for me was a waste of money. Not my jam. Don't wear powder. Dry skin. Don't wear it. Okay, so now we're going to open up the other one. Topbox is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. when you get this box. And it's a surprise every month. Whether it's a surprise that makes you happy or a surprise that makes you mad, it's always a surprise. Okay. Oh, FYI, everyone, I finally got my MRI. I got an earlier appointment. I got one tomorrow, and I have another MRI on Thursday. So hopefully we get to figure out what's going on with my shoulder and to start getting it fixed. Oh, yay. Thank God. All right. So in this box, the beauty surprise is Sephora AHA Fruit Acids Firming Sleeping Cream. I don't really use anything from Sephora brand, from the actual Sephora brand. It's almost like a dupe for the Drunk Elephant. And I don't know if this is any good for my sensitive skin. There's a safety seal. I'm not going to open it. So let me know in the comments down below. Have you ever tried this? Put it every night on a clean, dry face and your neck. So, I don't know how well this would be for it's got lemon, citron, lemon, and orange. I guess that's what it smells like. But I don't know, because I have such sensitive skin, and like Drunk Elephant stuff itself I cannot use. And I don't know, this kind of looks like a dupe for it. Natural fruit acids from lemon and orange, known to exfoliate and smooth skin, so that's AHA. Peptides, natural peptides from marine algae, known to tighten skin. Isn't having peptides not a good thing in your skincare? I'm not sure. Let me know. What do you think about this in the comments down below? But thank God it's not that freaking powder. And yeah, so I got the same blue nail polish. And we got the same highlighter. We got the same face mask. And we have the same shampoo and conditioner. So we got double. So great. Great. I've seen the other nail polish I've seen was the pink one, which I think I already have in this. So, you know, I was kind of hoping I don't have the blue, which I'm happy about, but I was kind of hoping that they would throw a different color in here. But anyways, I still think like this, I mean, it's Sephora. It's a face cream. I don't know. Is this $20? I don't know. But the beauty surprise this month was nothing. I don't think to, call home to mama about. I don't think it was that great. And they've had some awesome beauty surprises. So this month was a bust for the beauty surprise. But if you're still keeping Topbox, I wouldn't let that deter you from not getting the beauty surprise if they have it again in 2 months' time. Because usually the beauty surprises are bang on. Like, they're pretty freaking fabulous, right? Most people stay with this box because of the beauty surprise. But I must say, this box is pretty okay for $17 in my opinion. Some people might not be happy with it. You know, everyone has a different opinion, different taste, right? But for me personally, I think the box is pretty good for the $17, you know. I mean, I love getting deluxe size shampoo and conditioner. As long as they got that shampoo and conditioner, I'm all up for it. So, yeah, I wonder how this smells. Anyway, that's my opinion on Topbox. It smells nice. What did you get? And I don't think this Caviar shampoo and conditioners, I don't think this is cheap either. I don't know. I'll have to look for it. And it's for dry hair. Yay, which is what I got. So, let me know in the comments down below. Do you still get Topbox? What box did you get? What number? Did you get anything different? Is it pretty much the same? And I think I've seen it's pretty much the same. Everyone's getting the shampoo and conditioner. Seems like everybody was getting the nail polish. Everybody was getting a face mask. If not this kind, another. If not that kind, another kind of a face mask. And then I've seen some people get... a lot of people are getting the Estate. I've seen some people would get the Koala cream. And I don't think I've seen anything else other than the Koala cream. No, somebody had a New by Nature too. Primer or something. Anyway, guys. It's another month of Topbox. So, yeah, let me know what do you think about it in the comments down below. And I will see you all tomorrow. And again, thank you, Miss Ashley. Thank you, thank you. And to Ashley's little mini, thank you for always pointing out my peanuts when you're with your mom. All right, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Hey, don't forget to like, huh? Don't forget to like.